Hi there, I'm Liz Tomey from BigResaleRights.com, and this is the third video in a series of videos I'm doing to help those of you who want to create a digital product empire using resale rights. I'm calling this the Digital Product Empires with Resale Rights product tutorial series. We joke every video that that's like the longest name in the world, and it really is. Alright, so this all got started from a Facebook post I did laying out the steps it takes to create a digital product empire using resale rights products. I'm not going to go over those steps again because I've gone over them in the first two videos. So if you need to see those steps, go back to the first two videos. You really can't do anything with what I'm teaching you in this third video until you've gone through the first two videos anyway, okay? So today we're talking about finding resale rights products. Quality resale rights products to be exact. Here's the deal. There are a lot of resale rights products out there, but I'm going to be really honest with you. Most of them are absolute garbage. If you're building a digital product empire, you only want to put good quality resale rights products in your product empire, okay? Do you want your customers buying something from you that's crap? You'll have pissed off customers and lots of refunds, okay? And people won't like you. They won't buy from you again. So how do you find quality resale rights products? Well, the big ugly answer, are you ready for this? Trial and error. Yep. If you see something with resale rights, buy it, go through it, and decide if it can actually help someone. If not, chuck it and move on to the next one. And a lot of you just screamed in terror. I used to also. I would get so mad, but now I look at it as a cost of doing business. To find the gold, you gotta mine for it. Look at it this way. Once you find good quality resale rights, you're going to make your money back and then some, hopefully a lot of money back, okay? So invest in resale rights products. Go through them and find the gold. Again, I know I just made you guys scream in terror. So let's talk about where to find resale rights products and how you can kind of stay away from the bad stuff, okay? First, of course, there's yours truly. I've worked hard since 2004 to create awesome products and give people licenses to sell them. So I'm going to toot my own horn here, okay? I always have a ton of resale rights products for sale. You can keep up with me by joining my list at BigResaleRights.com. Let me get over here. So if you just join my list right here, you'll get some really good resources that I hand out for making money with resale rights products. Plus, you'll be on my list and get notified as soon as I release a resale rights product. Just like today, I released a brand new one, hot off the press, okay? Now, other than me, here are a few other things you can do to find resale rights products. First, search places like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, marketplaces like this, okay? And let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you have a JVZoo account, and this is like a big digital product marketplace where a lot of digital product marketers sell their stuff and stuff like that, okay? So if you come and you can go to affiliates, and we're going to do find products. Now, this isn't you becoming an affiliate for them, but this is the easiest way to search the marketplace and find everything. So we're going to search for first resale rights because people spell it differently. I spell it R-E-S-A-L-E, and a lot of people spell it R-E-S-E-L-L. So if we look, I don't know why it's running so slow, because I'm trying to do a video tutorial. Now, what I like to do is I like to search them by launch date. So I see the latest stuff here, okay? So launch date. So this is 100 plus self-help unrestricted PLR video courses. PLR can also be used too, but a lot of times it's not ready to go. So that's why I like resale rights products. Hyper influence marketing, master resale rights license. We can check this out. Boost your online sales, master resale rights license. Bitcoin breakthrough deluxe package, master resale rights. There's all kinds here. So if we go here and we click on view sales page, how influencers earn 2,000 to 6,000 per post, ready to crack the influencer code. So I would read this entire sales page, see what this is about, and come down here and see what the resale rights license is. So personal use rights, Master resale rights not only gives you the right to resell the product, but also the right to sell the rights. I don't know anything about this product, so I can't tell you if it's good or not, or, you know, whatever. But looking at the sales letter, this looks like a decent little product. I'm not crazy about the sales letter, so I would definitely ask them, hey, is it okay if I, you know, create my own sales letter and sell this product? Change the graphics, you know, stuff like that. A lot of times they won't let you change the actual words that are on the sales page, but they'll let you change the look, okay? And that's exactly what I would do with this one. The bottom's not too bad. I mean, it's not a bad sales letter. So this would definitely be one I would buy and go through, especially at that price. It's a great price. And for price, you'll pay anywhere from $10 to several $100s for resale rights license. Depends on what it is, how many licenses are available, all kinds of variables go into it. So this one, finally get more leads, build your audience, and attract more sales. So if we go through this, this looks like a good sales letter. If this is the actual sales letter that comes with it. If we go through here, so yeah, so master resale rights to this, it's $10.97, so it's not like it would cost you a bunch of money. But you can keep searching through JVZoo and you can find stuff like this all day long and tons of it. And there's also, like I said, sorry guys, had to change locations because of noise pollution, i.e. someone came in talking. Don't you hate that when you're doing a video and somebody just totally messes you up? Anyway, as I said, there's also Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and many other digital product marketplaces. If you don't know what digital product marketplaces are, you can Google that and you'll see tons of options there, okay? All right, so moving right along here, something else you can do, this is a little out of the box, but you can go to your favorite product creators and ask them if they would license their products to you, or if they have products that they offer resale rights to. I actually have a mentor who I fell in love with through his products. Now when he offers a license to them, I jump on them and I pay several $100 for the licenses. I know he creates high quality products, so I'm always looking for him. So start asking your favorite product creators if they have any products that you could license, or if they already sell resale rights products. A lot of people do, guys. A lot of times when you buy something, the upsell to something that's going to be resale rights to it, okay? All right, so a third thing you can do is, now I know I said this requires no product creation, but you could create your own resale rights products. I have a workshop where I show you the quickest and easiest way to do this, okay? You can actually use PLR, private label rights content, to make the job super quick and easy. I show you step-by-step how to do it in my resale rights profits blueprint workshop. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put the link to that in the description. If you're watching this on my blog, I'll put a link there, okay? Now that my shameless plugs are all over, let's talk about what to do once you have your resale rights products. Remember, if we look at the diagram, you need 3 to 5 of them. I just have 3 listed here. This is what this empire looks like, okay? You have your squeeze page, which builds your list. It gets people on your list. You send them emails, which we're going to talk about in the next video tutorial. So you have your know, like, and trust emails, and then you have emails that promote each of your resale rights products, okay? So you've got to get all of these. You've got to get at least 3 to 5 of these, okay? Once you've done that, you need to set them up. Oh God, the techie stuff. I hear you guys screaming again. Let's talk about that, okay? So in step 2, I told you that you needed a squeeze page, okay? What we didn't get into was getting a domain name and hosting and all that set up for it. The reason being is because the way you set things up will depend on what domain name or domain names you get. Let me show you what I mean. So you could take this and you could put all of this on one domain name. So you would have your squeeze page as the main.com, okay? Then, and guys, I am horrible at writing with my mouse. Even when I've used pens before in the past, it just doesn't work for me. So you could have this on your main domain name. So if I was doing this on Liz Tomey, I could do this at liztomey.com. Then I could come here and it would be mydomainname.com. gosh, .com / name of this product. Same thing with this one, .com / name of product. Same thing for this one. Okay, this is how you use one domain name for your entire empire. Is this okay? It's okay. You know, it's okay. But what really works best is for each of these products to sit on their own domain name. So if you can get the name of the product .com or some variation of it, that's going to convert better, meaning you will get more sales. Maybe just a couple more, but let's say you pay $10 a year for a domain name. If you only get 2 more sales because you used a .com, well, then it's paid for itself and then some, right? So why not? This is how I do it. I do it on separate domain names. So I would get a domain name for my squeeze page, a domain name for each of my resale rights products that I've picked. A little bit more expensive. You're going to get better conversions from it though. I promise. Let's see. Okay. Once you've decided what route you're going to take, get your domain name or domain names and start setting up your resale rights products. Now guys, I'm not going to show you how to set up resale rights products right now. I'll talk about where I will show you how to do that in just a second. But I want to show you the basic key elements you're going to get when you download a resale rights product. So this is my Membership Profits Blueprints product. These are all the reseller files I give my people. They get the actual product, an index page to sell the product, a download page to deliver the product, and everything is already linked for them, okay? Everybody does resale rights products differently. This is how I do it, and this seems to be the easiest way. So they get the sales page, the download page, and then this images and the style sheet are all part of that. So you would upload all of this to your domain name. Go in, edit your index page with your buy buttons, which is just right down here. You just put your link in there. Edit the download page with where it says your email address here. You would put that there. And everything else it works. So if you click on that, it'll eventually pull up. There we go. And I already have my download links ready to go. My resale rights packages are probably the most organized and easy to use resale rights products. A lot of people will give you a ton of stuff in here you really don't need. But these are the key ingredients to getting your resale rights products set up. And I always include a license file with mine so people know, what they can and cannot do with the product. Always read those first. But these are the key ingredients. You need a sales page to sell it, a download page to deliver it, and then all the things that make up the sales page, which for me would be these HTML files, the images file, the style sheet, and the product, okay? Easy peasy, I promise. Once you do one of these, it'll get easier and easier. The first one's always the hardest, especially, figuring out how to get your order buttons, if you're using like JVZoo or Warrior Plus or ClickBank or any of those marketplaces, okay? Okay, so now I do have, as I mentioned, complete setup tutorials when you join my list. Here we go, shameless plug again, at bigresellrights.com. I show you the entire process of setting one up. How to get your domain name, how to get your hosting, how to pick through all the files, how to edit them, how to get your order buttons, everything, okay? Like I said, it's free. Just go to bigresellrights.com and you can get those tutorials. All right, so at this point, by video number 3, you should have your squeeze page all set up, okay? Everything that you need for it needs to be set up. If you haven't watched video 1, or video 2 is where I showed that, you need to do that. But you really need to watch video number 1 because I go over, picking niches and stuff like that in that video, okay? Why is my mouse not working? Video's almost done. Mouse is going to go bye-bye. There we go. All right, so you need your squeeze page. Then you need to make sure... I'm going to take all this stuff off here. God, I am so not an artist, guys. See? I'm not even scared to get on camera and do horrible drawings. You shouldn't be scared either. Or be neurotic right on camera and have to delete everything. All right, so your squeeze page, and then you should have all of your resale rights products set up. Again, you can do this all on one domain name, or you can do this on multiple domain names. That's up to you. You will get better conversions using a domain name for your squeeze page and a domain name for each resale rights product instead of putting it in a folder or a subfolder, okay? Okay, so that's it for this step. This step's all about getting those 3 to 5 resale rights products and getting them set up and online ready for sale, okay? In video number 4, I'm going to be talking about the special automation sauce, and that's writing these emails. So I will see you in video 4. Have a great night, guys.